So I'm outside my studio right now, and I thought, why not do a vlog today? I'm feeling inspired. Plus, it's been like a month since the last time I posted, so I'm overdue for like an update. Right now, the cicadas are emerging, and I wanted to show you my yard. There's a lot of bugs everywhere, and I think they're interesting. Here are some of their shells in the trees. More shells. They're on my fence. Look at these weird wings. This one is not okay. I don't think this one made it out of its emergence. I'm pretty sure they come out of these holes. This guy is just chilling. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna eat it, obviously. I think in some countries they do eat cicadas. I could be wrong though. A cicada orgy. 3 of them. Interesting little bugs here. I hope I didn't kill him. Oh my gosh, did I kill it? Oh no, I didn't. I didn't. He's just very clumsy. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, I'm going back inside now. So I have my sketchbook here, and I've been able to make some progress within the past month, so I'm going to show you a few of those pages before I start my cicada page. This is the first page. I haven't added anything here yet. Then there's this. This is like a future painting idea. So this is a sketch for a painting that I finished recently. I'll put it right here. I don't really like these pages. And this is a playlist. It's a boombox. Tulips. This was when tulips were in season, so I decided to paint a big spread of tulips. The perfect man. He's made out of chocolate. This is for yet another idea, and that's why this page is blank over here. I'm going to be sketching out a new painting. My Korea and Japan pages. I'm supposed to go on a trip next year to both of these countries, so I'm kind of making my bucket list. A lot of these pages are sketches for paintings, essentially. So I do these before I actually start the big painting. My painting looks nothing like these, of course, but it's still pretty, right? I don't like that page. Oh, I'm experimenting here. This is like a cutout page, and it's gonna be like fairyland, but I still haven't really finished it. So I've got some ink drawings here. This page is where I start to follow a theme, and it is a carnival theme. So the rest of these pages coming up are all like carnival, circus type pages. I'll give you a closer look at this so like you can see these 2 pages in action. I think they're really cool. I really like this one in particular because like, look at this. Isn't that cool? Kind of creepy. And then this magic hat over here. There's a 2-headed bunny. Here's some magic cards and a creepy jester. Here's a colorful page. Here's a balloon animal in the sky and a prize goldfish. This is just a cute clown pug. This is one of those knock 'em down milk bottle games. More carnival food right here. And this is like one of those magic acts, so it's an illusion. The Tunnel of Love. And I'm still sketching this out, but it's going to be the death coaster. It's going to be skeleton. Oh, jeez. What I was trying to say was that this drawing is of skeletons on a roller coaster. They're going for a ride. Now I'm going to work on my cicada page, and I have some cicada shells here. So I'm going to be going by these. There's already a drawing on this page. I forgot to record it, sorry. But right now I'm drawing the cicada shell, and I'll kind of speed through the process. Okay, now I've got this drawn. This little thing here looks like a crab claw to me, but whatever. I'm going to actually fill this in with paint so I can capture the shell colors. I thought this portion of the video would be a little awkward if I wasn't talking, so here are a few notes about cicadas. Cicadas are symbols of reincarnation and rebirth. I read that during the Han Dynasty in China, carved jade cicadas were placed on the tongue of the deceased so that they would be guided through the afterlife and maybe they would be reincarnated. I just thought that was really cool. I think I need to fill the page more. I added more to the page, but I still think I should paint the background. Well, painting the background was a mistake because now it looks like a school project. Definitely not aesthetically pleasing, but the drawings are pretty good. My layout is horrible though. This is probably the ugliest page in my sketchbook. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe, or at least consider subscribing so you can keep up with me. I'm going to try to post maybe monthly, maybe more depending on how active I am with my projects. Yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.